The Adoption Assistance Program is a pre-tax program available to eligible Hennepin County employees to be used to pay for qualified adoption expenses with pre-tax deductions taken from your paycheck. Please keep in mind that this is a use or lose account, meaning that what you don't spend, you will lose. So be conservative in what you're going to estimate. Please also be aware that this is not the dependent assistance program to be used for daycare, but it's to be used exclusively for eligible adoption expenses. The benefit of electing the Adoption Assistance Program is that it saves you money, specifically tax money, and on average, depending on your tax bracket, 25 to 30% in tax dollars. In this example, two different employees both make $35,000 a year, and one person has $2,500 in adoption expenses, and the other person also does, but the first person elects the Adoption Assistance Program to be used to help offset those expenses, and the second person doesn't. As you can see in the example, by electing this type of pre-tax plan, the first person has more net take-home pay and saves $654 per year. So if you are going to be planning on an adoption, it would benefit you to look into this account further. The Adoption Assistance Program covers such qualified adoption expenses, including the following: reasonable and necessary adoption fees, court costs, attorney fees, and other expenses. Please see the Adoption Assistance Plan document for more detailed information. In addition, each participant can elect up to $12,000 annually, and participants can make or modify elections that either affect eligibility or the amount of adoption expenses that they need to incur. A couple of things to note about the Adoption Assistance Program. Employees can elect up to a maximum of $12,000 per year. And just like the Dependent Care Assistance Program, reimbursement funds become available as they are deducted from paychecks. There is a grace period that applies to this plan, so you have until March 15th of the following year. So if you make an election for 2017 and you don't incur enough adoption expenses for that election in 2017, you actually have until the following March 15th, in this case 2018, in order to incur those expenses. And then the deadline to submit them is March 31st. Funds do not roll year to year with this plan, so remember to make new election choices each open enrollment. And for 2017, that is November 7th through November 21st. For additional information about the Adoption Assistance Program, please reference the summary plan description available online at www.one-to-one-benefits.com/Hennepin under the Member Contracts section. You may also see the Adoption Assistance Plan available by calling Hennepin County's HR Service Center at 612-348-7855 or hr.benefits@hennepin.us. For balance information or questions, please contact One-to-One Benefits Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. by calling 612-877-4321 or toll-free 800-300-1672. You may also email your questions to customer service at one-to-one-benefits.com. And please reference information and resources at the website at www.one-to-one-benefits.com/Hennepin.